This 2023 Keystone Montana 3761FL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Clyde, Ohio, 43410 and is offered for sale by Town & Country RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 41 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6. The floor plan layout of this fifth-wheel RV features bath and a half, front living area, kitchen island, rear bath, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Keystone Montana 3761 Florida is 14,380 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Town & Country RV.